Oh my god, guys, these Air Up bottles are so expensive. I've managed to find a brand new working Air Up discount code for 2024 that's going to allow you to get a free bottle, guys, and this is super simple. It literally takes between 5 and 10 minutes, and you're going to be able to get an Air Up bottle of your choice for free with pods as well. And this is a simple Air Up promo code that you're going to want to definitely check out. So I'm going to be showing you today how to do it. You need to use a mobile phone. Very important. You have a mobile with an internet connection, and you've got to go to the following website, guys. www.robotcoupons.com. So you've got to go to Robot Coupons, guys. Pretty self-explanatory, but this is a Robot Coupons website, not robot, but a coupons website, guys. And these have tons of different pages on, and they have promo codes for pretty much everything you can think of, to be honest. You need to search for the Air Up page. So you can go to the search bar here and type in Air. Hopefully you can type. Obviously I can't. Air Up. Here we go. Air Up coupons and deals. And you can get a promo code for any Air Up bottle free. You can also get 50% off your next order. So what you're going to have to do, guys, is unlock your promo code. So click on show coupon. I've chose the promo code for a free Air Up bottle. And basically, guys, you will need to unlock your code because, of course, like I showed you, these Air Up bottles are super expensive, so this basically prevents people from stealing hundreds of these codes. So go ahead and tap unlock code. Now, I'm not going to do this, guys. I don't really want to waste any more of these codes, but you're going to see a new screen and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. You will probably need to verify yourself as a real person if this is your first time on Robot Coupons. And to do that, you will need to basically complete a couple of tasks, which can be like downloading mobile games or answering questions in surveys. They're all completely free and it will take you about 5 to 10 minutes. But once you've done 2 tasks, this code will be fully revealed. And you can literally redeem it in the Air Up website, and it's going to remove 100% of the cost of any bottle you choose. Alternatively, you can do the 50% off one if you want. So these are the best Air Up discount codes, guys. You've got to go to Robot Coupons, search for the Air Up page, and unlock your code. Make sure you do complete the verification step. But yeah, it's pretty simple and self-explanatory when you see it. So enjoy, guys. Smash that like button if I helped you get your Air Up discount codes in 2024. And I'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.